Hey! My name is not Sven, it is Martin, yeah.
Welcome to the beauty that is Swedish summer. It's June 2 and it's raining, it's hailing, there's lightning and thunder and whoa, whoa. This is classic midsummer weather. I'll just stand under this tree. Wow, look at that. Whoa, whoa, what the, whoa! Hail! Oh, oh my God, Jesus! Oh! Oh, oh, it hurts! Woo! Yes, welcome to Sweden anytime. I will buy you a falafel and we'll go. Look at this. Jeez. It's okay. It's okay. Oh! Welcome to Sweden, man! Oh! This rucksack is heavy. Oh! Woo! Look at this shit! Look at it! Why? Why? Look! Ow! 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 It's June 2nd. I swear it was sunny when I got off the bus. And that was like 5 minutes ago. And I was like, oh, I hear thunder, I hear lightning. Oh, that looked like hail. That looked like big hail. And then